If you're getting your device isn't compatible with this version error, here is a couple ways of fixing it. So the first method of doing this is to find our Play Store on our home screen, tap on it. Here, press on this info icon. Now scroll down to your storage section. Here's your storage. And here you gotta press clear cache. Great. Now go back and press force stop. Now press OK. And this is the first version. The next variant of fixing this option is to open up our settings, scroll down to the very bottom to our software update section. Now choose this option, and here you'll see download and install. Press here and make sure that your phone is up to date. If you have any updates available, so simply update it, install it, because they fix a lot of minor issues. So the next thing what we could do is to uninstall and install updates of our Google Play Store and our Google Play services. So open up your apps. Open up your settings, then find your apps tab. Here it is. So first of all, in our apps, find your Google Play Store. Tap on it. Here at the top right corner, press on these three buttons and press uninstall updates. Press OK. And now find your Google Play services and do the same. Find top right corner, uninstall updates and press OK. After that, our phone will automatically update them. So now let's try opening up a Play Store. Give it some time to be updated. And now let's try and search for the application. So tap on your search tab and search for the application. And as you see, now we can install it. It works great and getting installed. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.